Need to replace the screen on your 2016 Malibu boat? In this video, we'll show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Spencer with Malibuparts. Replacing the screen on your boat may seem like a little nerve-wracking, but it's easier than you think. Let's take you through the steps to do it. Before you begin, make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and a flashlight. That is all you will need. Seriously, that's it. It's that easy. Step 1. Make sure all power is off to the boat. Step 2. Make note of where each plug is plugged into the screen. Step 3. Unplug all cords from behind the screen. Step 4. Remove all 4 screws. Step 5. Remove the front faceplate. Step 6. Remove the screen from the front side. Step 7. Insert new screen into opening. Step 8. Place front faceplate into place. Step 9. Insert all 4 screws. You may need a second person to help hold the faceplate in place until the screws are secure. Step 10. Plug in each wire. Step 11. Turn on the boat and ensure screen is working properly. Step 12. Some options may not show in the new screen. To activate missing options, go into Settings, Outputs, turn on equipped options that are missing from the display. The screen will come with the most up-to-date software, so you don't need to worry about that. After about 20 minutes from start to finish, you will be ready to get back out on the water. For any questions regarding the install process or what screen you need for your boat, reach out to us via chat, email, or phone. We are always happy to help with your boating needs. For more great DIY content and great all-around boating content, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. That's it for now. Can't wait to see you on the water.